In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your website header fade out using the Wix editor. This is a smooth and stylish effect that can give your site that extra touch of professionalism, ensuring a sleek user experience. Let's get started on this simple process that you can complete in just a few minutes. First, open up your Wix editor, and you'll find your header there at the top of your web page. You'll want to make sure that it's selected before proceeding with any changes. Simply click on the header to activate it. You should see a bounding box around the header, indicating that it's selected and ready for editing. Next, look over to the Quick Edit button. This tool is a shortcut for making common edits without needing to dig through multiple menus. Go ahead and click on it, which should expand a menu with various options related to the appearance and behavior of your header. Within this menu, find the Settings icon. It might look like a little gear and is standard across many editing platforms as the go-to for settings adjustments. Clicking on it will open up a new set of options, which are essential for customizing how elements on your site behave. One of these options is scroll effects, which are such a powerful way to add dynamics to your website. In the list provided, you should find the Fades Out option. This is the particular scroll effect we want to apply to the header, so that as visitors scroll down your site, the header gradually fades out, reducing visual clutter and creating a clean browsing experience. Once you have selected Fades Out, it's a good idea to see how it looks. At this point, you'll want to preview your site. In the Wix editor, you can easily switch to preview mode by hitting the Preview option, usually located at the top of the editor. This change allows you to experience the website just as a visitor would. Now scroll down your site while in preview mode, and you should see your header begin to fade away softly as you move further down the page. It's really that simple and visually effective. You may want to tweak or adjust further, but even at this default setting, it should create a seamless effect. Once you're happy with how it all looks, the last and most important step is to save your work. At the top right corner of your editor, you'll see the Save button. Make sure to click it to ensure that all the changes you've made won't be lost. You've just learned how to add a fade-out effect to your header using the Wix editor, and now your website will look even more polished and modern. Have fun with your newly enhanced site.